Kuki student organization Churachandpur has announced to suspend the total shutdown planned at Churachandpur district in the wake of fresh tension that erupted in protest against Kuki BJP legislators who joined government formation. On Friday morning, band supporters holding sticks stopped vehicles in parts of the district headquarters town. Markets remained shut and vehicles off the roads. Educational and government officials also witnessed poor attendance. The shutdown was more effectively visible in the Tuibong area of the district headquarters town. The situation remained tense in the district and additional security forces have been deployed in vital points of the district headquarters town. Meanwhile, various Kuki organizations have organized a mass rally in order to convey the collective stand against political developments they consider unacceptable. Earlier, clash were reported between a mob and security forces near Tuibong Forest Gate, leading to baton charge and firing of tear gas shells by security forces to disperse the mob, which indulged in stone pelting. The clashes went on till 3 a.m. on Friday and resulted to injuries to two demonstrators.